I can watch football for 2 hours, but I can't pray for 21 minutes. I can talk to a lady for 2 hours, but I can't talk to God for 21 minutes. I can go to the gym for 2 hours, but I can't exercise my spirit for 21 minutes. Out of the 24 hours God gave me, why can't I give him 21 minutes? I love God with all my heart. It really sounds like a lovely line. But do I really love him if I don't give him my time? God first. But is he really? God first. It's a popular line people say. But is God really first throughout your day? We encourage ourselves as a group of guys to gather to pray for 21 minutes for 21 days. This year is a long race. We are training ourselves to give God first place. 2025 is a very long race. Many things will want our attention, but nothing will compete with our time of prayer and reflection. So we are developing new habits to give God our time. We're keeping our appointments with God and arriving on time. We are saying to God, thank you for 24 hours. I can at least give you a fraction of complete attention, no distraction. Jesus, our example, was very busy in his day, but he often separated himself to spend time with God and pray. He didn't let the crowds, the needs, the emergencies take God's place. He had his priorities right. God first, God's face. We say God first, but we pick him last in reality. We take other things more seriously, but we take it easy with spirituality. We rush to get to work on time, but to church we're strolling. We take notes during company meetings, but in church we're scrolling. On our phones, we're in the zone. We say God is king, but there's something else sitting on our throne. Do I really love God? Does he really have first place in my heart? Does he have the main role in my schedule? Or does he just have a little part? I know I can't make it through this year without his grace. I need his help to run this race. I choose to keep God first, or else I will be last. Without his strength, I'll go back to my past. Without God's strength, we will fall back into sin. But with his power, we can face any battle and win. We are building spiritual stamina for the year. Let's continue this spiritual exercise. 9 p.m., prayer showers, 21 minutes. See you tonight, guys.